In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive in Windows 11 and completely remove it from your system. Maybe you're not using OneDrive enough to justify it taking up space, or you're just looking to simplify your computer experience. Whatever the reason, this guide will walk you through the steps quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at your taskbar where you'll find the cloud icon representing OneDrive. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so opens up a list of options available to you. Now attention here, look for the gear icon which stands for settings. This is your gateway to managing how OneDrive interacts with your system, and once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, your next step is to select settings. By interacting with these options, you're delving into how OneDrive is set up on your computer. We're almost there, but next you need to shift your focus to the Account tab. This tab is instrumental as it gives you the choice to manage the linkage between your PC and OneDrive. At this stage, what you want to do is click on Unlink this PC. By clicking here, you're telling your computer to disconnect from OneDrive, setting the stage for the removal process. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to confirm this decision. Take a moment to ensure you're ready, then go ahead and confirm to unlink the PC. With this step, your system is disentangling from OneDrive, yet you're not quite done. To completely remove OneDrive, you must now uninstall it from your computer. Here's how. Start by opening your system settings. Once you're there, navigate to the Apps section. This part of Windows 11 is where you manage software that's installed on your machine. Alternatively, if you find it easier, you can use the search bar and simply type in OneDrive. Both these actions will lead you to the app within the list. Locate OneDrive among the apps displayed and select it. Now, an option to uninstall should reveal itself. Selecting uninstall will cleanly remove OneDrive from your computer. And just like that, you've disabled and removed OneDrive from Windows 11. Congratulations, you have now successfully removed OneDrive from your Windows 11 PC. Whether it's for decluttering reasons or performance improvement, you've made the choice to streamline your system by removing software you don't need. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.